Today we have a very special grammar rule. It's simple future, future continuous, and future perfect. Let's do it. Hello everyone, my name is Mr.Darweesh. Welcome back. Okay, let's first understand the structure, okay, how we form the sentence. Let's start. Here we go. We will eat breakfast. So as everybody knows, we have will, this is future. And after it we have the verb must be base form. And this is what, this is simple future. Alright? Many students, they know it as future only. It's simple future. Good. Next. We will. Will is future. Okay. Next, be eating. Verb. Okay. Verb and ing. This reminds you of what? Yes. Continuous. Great. The last one. Well, as we said, future. Have eaten. What does have eaten remind you of? Like the tense. It is present perfect. But here we will not say present. Why? Because we have well. It is future. So future what? Perfect. As you are perfect. Good. Okay, now let's understand when we use them. Listen. You are talking about an action in the future. Good? Let's talk about this. Let me give you this. We have 6 o'clock. We have 7 o'clock. Alright? Here we go. And here is the middle. Good? Okay. Listen. Which one is the start? The action will happen in future. So 6 is the start and 7 is the end, right? And here in the middle is the process. Like the action will be in progress. Let's learn. When you talk about when something will start in future, you need to use simple future, okay? So we will eat breakfast at 6 o'clock. All right? So we use simple future for the start of the action in the future. Get it? Good. Number 2. We will be eating breakfast. Listen. The start is 6 o'clock. You have from 6 in 1 minute. Okay, this is like it started the action. 2, 6, 59. Any time you mention in here, you need to use continuous, future continuous, all right? Because the action now here is in progress. Good. So at, for example, at 6:10, for example, okay? You get the idea. So we use future continuous when you are talking about something in the future, in the middle. It is not in the middle, like it has started. All right? Good. Future perfect. You're talking about when will an action finish in the future. Okay? Good. So obviously here, as I explained to you about 6 and whatever, 7 is the end. All right? So here we will have eaten breakfast at 7. By 7. Okay? So also you can use in. For example, in 2 months. For example, what I mean by in 2 months, we are building a school, okay? Or we're building a hospital, or anything you want, okay? So we're talking about the end of the action in the future. So we say we will have finished building the building or the school, the hospital, in 2 months. Means after 2 months from now, done. All right? That's all about it. We still have 1 point, guys, or 2 points to be precise. How we make them negative? It's easy, guys. Don't be confused. It's just here, not. The same idea. All right? That's it. A question, the same idea, guys. You take will here, and everyone, you take will, and that's it, and you make a question. That's all about it, guys. Please, if you have any question about simple future, future continuous, future perfect, please, you can write it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer it. And any question you want. Please guys don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you guys. See you.